how to provide value to the people in email marketing for free. So there are certain people who have this particular kind of a question that when they are doing email marketing, in that time, in order to win the trust of their audience, they have to provide certain kind of a free value, right? So how do you provide that particular value? That's the question which we need to ask to ourselves right now. I think the only reason why you should provide the free value to the people, because you wanted to make sure that you are winning the trust of them, so that you can sell them, you can help them in the future, right? But in order to sell that particular product and services to them, you first need to learn and understand how to provide them the free email marketing kind of a values which you can give them by providing the lead value to them. This is very very important when you are doing email marketing. You cannot always write the emails in order to sell something, right? First you need to provide the value to the people also, right? You cannot buy from that particular shop who's not trusting you right now, right? So this is very very important to understand. When you become a freelancer, when you are providing your services to the people, in that time it's very very important to understand that how can you help someone so that someone can help you, right? So this is, if you understand this concept, you can able to go long term in the email marketing, right? So how can you do that? First you need to have your social media page. You are providing the value to the people in social media. Once you are able to provide the value to the people in the social media, now you are taking the emails of every single person. Once you have the email of these people, now they are in your list, right? And once they are in your list, now your job is to make sure you are providing the free values to these people. Once you are providing free values to these people, now your job is to make sure you win the trust of the people. And if you wanted to do that, how can you do that? You can provide free videos, you can provide ebooks, you can provide checklists, you can provide certain kind of a PDF to them, so that they can use that particular product and services. They can use that particular guide in order to make the change in their life, and that's how you can provide free values to the people. But one thing which you need to understand when you are providing the free value to these people, that you need to constantly think about it. I was actually hearing interview of Dr. Vijay Bindra when he visited to the I think London talk. In that time, Dr. Vijay Bindra said that I'm very conscious about that particular thought, that what my customer wants from me, and I spent so much of time just thinking about that particular thing really. And this is the only reason which actually helps Dr. Vivek Bindra to understand how can he provide the values to the people in India, how can he help so many small business owners, right? So that's the kind of a mindset which he has. This is the only reason why he built BadaBusiness.com, and that is the only reason why BadaBusiness.com is a big success in India. So that's what you need to understand when you are providing the free values to the people. Instead of just doing anything, you just need to understand what you are providing, what is the need in the market, and then accordingly you can provide the things to the people. If you are able to do that, then so many people will be in your list, and at the same point of time they will click on whatever the thing which you are telling them to do, that they are going to buy from you in the future. So like this particular video, definitely comment down below. You can share this particular video for other people also, and thank you so much for watching.